The name of this video is our new microwaves still worth scrapping because of the aluminum windings and the transformer and whatnot. So we're going to tear this puppy down and make sure that it is. I've already got the cord off it there, and like all the new ones, these screws are Torx, and it takes a special wrench for it. It's a Torx with a hole in the center because there's a pin in the center here, and they're what do you call it? Oh, they're security screws, so you don't take this apart. And but they do come out, and if you have the right tool, and I got the right tool. So, that being what it is, I think we're good there. Those are regular screws, and we'll get them and get after it. Alright guys, so what I didn't show you, there's a couple screws on the sides here that are just regular Phillips screws, so they come right off. This side had two on for some reason, I don't know why. It didn't come loose. We might have to do some other kind of crazy stuff. And I'm not sure what that is. Another screw here. Alright, be back in a minute. I pulled the door off to try to get the rest of this cover off. And it appears to be loose. Now that that's gone, here's the sides and the back. Let's see, where are we at here? So we got all kinds of goodies here. And the bottom looks like it's loose. No, it isn't. We got a couple here. We'll get them gone. Go. Everything is wonderful. It looks like to me. Got the back and the sides and the top and everything off. So that's just clipped in. We'll get this for insulated wire, all this junk. Oh, that's loose. Okay. We need to do some drill work here. Let's get this one out. Capacitor. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's steel. Okay. Be careful with caps because they can hold a charge. You come off there. Okay, so there's Mr. Transformer. There's Mr. Capacitor. One more wire here. Good Lord, that's heavy. That is a heavy dude there. So we'll just clip these two, the primary and secondary, but I'm almost 100% sure that this is not copper. As soon as I find a file. Let's see, there's a file on me right here. Now if this turns silver, that turns silver right there. Right there. Look out of luck. There it is. Silver as it can get. So that's what you don't want to see in here, but there's many other things here that are good. Like I say, this is insulated wire. Not much of it, just a little teeny bit. There that is. This is steel. The door is steel. The back and sides are steel. And don't get excited about that because you don't know where your yard's at. Well, mine's at 3 cents a pound for unprepared steel, 4.5 cents a pound for prepared steel. And prepared means it's separated. And let's see, what do we got here? We got lots more wire. Let's see, get them out of there. See, now we do have a little bit of copper here. Let's see here. Let's try. Okay, guys, just this little side note here. This has been laying in the shop for quite a while. And when I pulled the back off, this is what I found. Looky here. That's a baby tarantula. Now I won't squish them. I'll probably pick them up somehow and take them outside or something, but it's not that be interesting. Make sure you look at your stuff when you pick it up. There's all this other stuff that was in here that's now laying over there. You can see over to the side there. It's, if you look right there, that's the fan. That's the transformer, that's aluminum windings. And down here some the cap and some other little wiring stuff. And a little bit of steel, a little bit of wiring, a little bit of motor here. So what we got left is this. And this is probably should be good. Because this is just a case that's left. I gotta pull this out and that's this plastic. But we'll see if we can't get this out, this wave guide. That's not special. Must be a screw on the other side. Ah, and there is. There it is. Should come out, and that's steel. So you've probably got a couple pounds of steel. My spider, he just fell down upside. Okay, I don't know if you can see him there. He's not happy. So I'm going to get gloves on and move him out of here. Put them outside. Don't want to hurt them, which I might have already done. I don't know. Come on, buddy. There you go. All right, I know it's a spider, and you should stomp on them, but I don't because I kind of like those. That'll give us the wave guide. I'm almost ready. Stuff on there that'll kill you. So, anyhow, now that Mr. Spider's gone, alright, so it's tore down in a matter of about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes for the total teardown, and we've got a couple pounds of steel. Got the wave guide that we get the magnets out of. Now we got this fan motor. What are you doing over here? Let's see, where am I? I'm not down there, I'm up there. There we go. Okay, so this card should pull right out of here if I do that. Oops. Oops. Well, there's a card. Okay, some more wires. Okay, that whole wiring harness is loose. Well, now we got just the motor in here. And this should, ooh, it should, but it doesn't. Dog. Let's see, maybe we can pry that out of there, huh? Let's try that. Thought that's how I did them before, but maybe not. Bingo! So as you can see, we're down to almost nothing here. Lots of screws, lots of a little bit of metal. There's another card. This is for the push buttons on the front. And is there anything good here? There's looks like a switch here. There might be some gold pins on that. Might be, I doubt it. See this how it comes from China. Okay, let's get rid of some of this wire crap here. So this is going to be insulated or stripped. I'm not sure which. It's kind of small to strip. There's some genuine junk. There that is. There this is. Man, these are on there. I think they crimped them on there. There's no use for a resistor, so it's going. Garbage, that's garbage, that's garbage. That's wire, insulated wire, that's insulated wire. That's insulated wire. Now these insulated wires, let me double check this one to make sure I'm not telling you a lie here. Here is one of the wires. And it's brass. So if you look here, too close here. Can you see it? You see the shiny brass right here? Right on my finger. Anyhow, so we'll keep that as insulated. I just weighed the insulated wire. And the insulated wire weighed up at 2 ounces. All that wire that was here hooked to all this junk. So, I'm saying that it ain't worth it to mess with that insulated wire because it's small and it's too small to separate, and I'm trying to get this out and talk and it doesn't work. Anyhow, it's too small a wire. There's another switch. This is junk. And all these guys are junk. We'll get these out of here. Okay, that being the case, now we're kind of down to the wave guide here. Right here. That's here. See it? Right there. Right here. That's it. That's it. Let's, I'm going to do a little tap on it. And there, you can see might be copper. let's do some testing here. I gotta come out of here anyhow, so. And let's look at them. Wow, that is copper. Okay, we're good. So that little bit of copper, there again you're into the minute amounts of copper. Because that and this are it. That's no, well, that's insulated wire. So that'll add to the 2 ounces. And this is copper. This toroid coil. Toroids I like working with. This one doesn't like me though, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, there's a toroid coil for copper, and this is scrapola. And it can go in there, as can that. Yeah, I'm getting pretty good here. Okay, that's insulated wire. Okay, let me do a little digging here to see what I need to do. Probably didn't see much of any of that. Hey guys, so if I include this transformer and all the other steel, I've got about 10 pounds. At 3 cents a pound, that's 30 cents. So this is aluminum, some of it's steel. Don't know which is which here. So there's a little, no, that's all steel. So give it another pound. That's 11. 33 cents. Copper is negligible, that and this and this. There's a little bit here, not enough to count. So I'm saying, even with all the wire that's in that, which was about 5 or 6 ounces of stranded small wire, so you're into no money here at all. I would stick away from these. Yeah, you can get the magnets out of this, and I've got a whole bunch of them stuck over here on the cabinets, so that nobody wants them, but there you go. So anyhow, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give it a great comment. And you guys stay safe out there, stay blessed. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on, man. Be good. Be back.